Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be talking about money management. Okay, money management is something that many people out there as traders struggle with. Once you come into trading, you really need to understand what is called risk reward ratio. That's the 3R. If you know your risk, your reward, and your ratio, that way you'll be successful in trading, or you'll be on your way to success. Because trading, it's all about minimizing your risks, right? If you minimize your risks, you will have the chance to survive in trading. So for those of you who have taken the basic class already, if you are trading and you don't know what risk reward ratio is, you're going to be the type of trader that is using different lot size each time you are trading. So if today you, in a simple term, if you are using 50 cents per pip, and then the next day you're using $1 per pip, you will now see that you're not consistent. You don't really have a structure and a plan. If you don't have a structure and a plan, what happened? You could easily lose money because there's no structure, there's no plan, and that way it's difficult to really actually evaluate your plan or strategy. Now, when you have this risk reward ratio calculation and you have your capital, that's when you know what you are going to be risking per trade per day. And that's the way to know how much money you can lose in a month or in a week. You already know it ahead of time. And this comes with the help of money management, with the help of risk reward ratio. So if you hear people saying they lose money in trading, they lose 50%, 80%, or they blow their account, it is because this people or this type of traders do not really have a plan, or they don't really understand what is called money management or risk reward ratio. They don't know what is called position sizing. That way, these people lose money or blow their account. Now, it is not a rocket science, right? It's a very simple calculation. By the time you know how to do your position sizing calculation, or you know your risk reward ratio, it's going to help you, and that way you can survive. So in a simple term, if you have $1,000 in your account and you have a good risk reward ratio, you have your plan, you have so many opportunities to trade. And with so many opportunities, the chances for you to survive is there. Now, if you have $1,000 and you want to trade on a mini account, or you want to trade on a standard account, you can blow your account in a day, 2, or even less than a week if you don't know what you're doing. That is why it is always important for you to know actually what you are doing. If you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be really difficult for you to make money. So money management is here to help you to manage your money, to manage your capital, to take that calculation, risk reward ratio, so that at the end of the day, it can help you to protect your account. Because all you are doing in risk reward ratio is to have a calculation to know that at the end of the day, there's something we call drawdown limit. So you have a drawdown limit, you calculate, you know that this is the percentage of the money that if I lose, on a worst case, this is the money I'm going to be losing per week and per month. You already know your risks, so you're not going to be risking more than your risks. But in a situation where you don't have a plan, you don't know what is risk reward ratio, you are likely to blow your account. So this is what is happening in Forex trading. So many people do not really actually know what money management is, and they end up blowing their account. And they say the trading is not working. Actually, trading works. Okay, so many people leave in trading. The banks are into trading. The hedge fund managers are into trading. The big institutions are into trading. So many people are into trading. And if it is not doable, or if it's not working, they will not be doing it. There is difference between those who are succeeding and those who are not. And the way to succeed is to learn from those who are succeeding. Is to learn from those who already know what works. And this is why money management is the key factor to surviving in trading. Knowing the risks, knowing how much you can lose if the worst happen. Beautiful.